Get your summer off to a great start with your favorite makeup, skincare, and fragrance from Elizabeth Arden. Visit the Elizabeth Arden counter at Sears today and spend $38 or more before taxes on any Elizabeth Arden products, and you'll receive a gift valued at $76. From the UK comes a powerful and inspiring album, Bastille's debut, Bad Blood, now available on iTunes.
But if you close your eyes...
Nobody wakes up and says, hey, let's rip apart the bathroom today and do some renovations. That's way too stressful. However, if you've been considering an upgrade to your bathroom or kitchen and you don't have the skill or time to make your reno look great, call the plumbing experts. Get a hold of Mr. Swirl. Hi, it's Laurie Logan, and it's been 5 months since I had laser correction at London Eye Center. My prescription used to be at -7. Now I have 20/20 vision and no more contacts or glasses.
Now, here's one thing about one song.
The lyrics for this next tune were written by Verve vocalist Richard Ashcroft. But the songwriting credits and cashola? Well, that goes to the Rolling Stones. That's because the Verve used a sample from a Stones tune called The Last Time. Problem was, they sampled too much. So when the song started climbing the charts, the Rolling Stones lawyers called up Richard Ashcroft and apparently said, we want 100% of the royalties or take the song out of the shops. Ouch. When Richard plays the song live, he often mentions this is the best song the Rolling Stones have ever written. Here's the Verve Bittersweet Symphony